Today our kitchen sink drain system broke in the middle of nowhere. We found ourselves driving around Estes Park, browsing and asking locals for a hardware store. We were told these guys up the road, they make hardware needs in the middle of the woods easy. They are called Park Supply. They are the hardware store of Estes Park. For over 35 years, they have been supplying the Estes Valley with all hardware needs. They are proud to call themselves the most extensive hardware store in the Estes Valley, offering paint, gardening, home repair, specialty plumbing, building materials, RV supplies, and much more. Oh boy, yes, they have a lot. Not only we were able to find the parts we needed to fix our RV sink drain and replace our exterior sink's faucet, we also got the necessary tools to make the job easy. If you cannot find what you were looking for at Park Supply, don't worry. Just drive 6 minutes to the other side of town to Ace Hardware of Estes Park. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow us to learn more about Estes Park in beautiful Colorado.